Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick unboxing, sort of an overview of this wrench set from DuraTech. I purchased these a few months ago. They were $24 each. They call them double box and reversible ratcheting wrench. The sticker here, both of them says metric, but the model number is different. This one ends with 05S and this one ends with 05M. So I opened them up to make sure there is no product here. I didn't want them both to be exactly the same, so I broke the tape just to check, and it is correct. It's just the sticker, maybe for some reason it says metric on both of them. But as you can see, this is a metric, and this other one is SAE as indicated there. So they come with this pouch, storage pouch. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the boxes. And each one of them comes with sort of a brochure that many of the Amazon sellers have. And they have some nice products here. I've purchased so many of them already, and I have so many more in my cart to be purchased at a later time. But I like their products. They stand behind their product also with their warranty. I had to use their warranty a couple times, and they were fast in sending me replacement wrenches whenever I contacted them, which was about 2 times now. So I'm happy with that. For the price I paid and for the quality and the warranty, I think it's pretty good. Okay, so let me remove these boxes out of the way. Okay, let's review let's do metric first. Okay, I'm going to pause the camera and lower it down some more. Okay, let me remove this from here. It has the model number there. And this is what it says on the paper: DuraTech reversible ratcheting wrenches, 12-point, reversible, and bonus pouch. It has here lifetime warranty, which is nice. This is some information. It is a 25-degree offset on each end, and there is 5 pieces here, but 10 sizes, because each end of the wrench has a different size, since they are reversible, so you can use them either way. So these are the 10 sizes: 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, and 21 millimeter. Okay, let's put this on the side. And here's the pouch. It has the DuraTech brand on it, and same thing here. Alright, so there is the wrench itself. It feels solid. Feels good quality. And it has this little lever here. You press it down and it locks into the reverse direction. So now you can do it this way or the other direction. So you go back this way. So these were $24 each. Several years ago I bought a set of the metric ratchet wrenches from Northern Tool. They were not the offset ones, they were just straight 5 pieces, also almost the same sizes. They were $8 at the time, so this is 24 with the 25-degree offset, like you can see there, which is nice. So you can have enough clearance for your hand, or hand wearing a glove, and some engine compartment you can work on. Alright, so there is the engraved DuraTech name here on both sides. It is engraved in there, so it's not going away. Just checking them both directions. Okay, good. So far so good. this is peeling off something. It's like spray painted. You see that? It's like spray painted. I hope it doesn't get rusty. Oh yeah, look at this. It's peeling off, guys. This is peeling off. Okay, this is disappointing. Oh wow, the whole thing is peeling off, look. Oh wow, okay. This whole thing is peeling off. These other ones are fine. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to reach their support again. All right. This little one works good. Yeah. Okay. So just this one, the 14 and 13 size is peeling off. You can see there. But you saw there on the video, see, it's still peeling off. Wow, yeah, that's disappointing. I don't think I've ever seen a wrench that peels off like that. I don't know if this is like a spray paint or something, I don't know. Well, the 30 days for return is over, so I can't return them. So I'm gonna have to contact the company and see if they will replace that one for me. Okay, so let's put this on the side and we will work on the SAE sizes. Some type of information, it just says SAE, so we'll skip that part. Same thing here. Now you notice this is black and gray, and this one is black and blue. Blue representing the metric. In this case usually is red, but in this case is black or gray representing the SAE. Okay, so let's this is a black color, and yeah, I didn't say the sizes here, so here is the sizes mentioned. You've got 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4 and 7/8. Okay, that's a solid click. Okay, there you go. Don't tell me this is peeling also. It looks like it, but it's not peeling. This is the tiny itty bitty one. Some more. Oh, pretty cool. It's a nice set. I think I'll just email them about this one, and I don't think they will have problem replacing this one for me. You can see the paint is peeling off, spray paint or whatever that is. All right, so okay, I think this concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hopefully this was helpful to you, or at least entertaining. I will see you all in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.